Hello. Hello. Okay. It's Diana. And if you're not watching this from my group, Women Creating Healthy Lives, come and join us. It's my free Facebook community for women over 40 who are living through the midlife phase and beyond, who have beyond, kind of. And it's, when what used to work doesn't work anymore. And also, I help you deal with decreasing your stress and hearing your soul, coming from your soul, learning to live a life that brings you joy. So basically, it's kind of like health and joy. How are you going to live your life right now? How are you desiring to live your life? And focusing on that you can, and kind of like living in alignment. When you put that health and wellness and you as a priority, then it's like shifting your life, opening it up so that now you can begin to live that way. And that's what I help women with too. As well as the eating, of course, because during this phase of life and beyond, oh my God, the food needs to be a little different. Even though you're eating healthy foods, some of those healthy foods in midlife can actually cause the weight gain. And so you don't even know, right? You're going and eating these things or eating in a certain way and thinking, why am I not losing the weight? Oh my God, what else do I have to give up? It's not all about what you have to give up. Hi, whoever's joined. It's not hi. It's not what you have to give up either in midlife eating. It's more importantly what you are eating, right? Bringing in way more of the nutrients your body requires to help bring your body back into better balance. Hi, so good to see you. All right, so on this topic, on this video, what I want to talk about is kind of get clear on when you're feeling the frustrations and struggles, and when you're wondering, am I ever going to get results? When is anything going to click in? When is anything going to happen? Oh my God, I've been doing this right? Sometimes we are closed off to what is possible for us because we are so focused on our journey and believing that might be the only way. So when you're living life, especially as a woman, it is a crazy busy time, right? Especially if you're working. The thing is that you could be so caught up in this whole, this is the way my life is. This is the way my life has to be. I don't know how to change it. I don't think it's possible to change it. I know many think that, right? It's not possible. I can't. It is a certain way. This is the only way it has to be. Now, what I want to say is that's not true. We have been led to believe that. And if you just think about what people have said around you, what you see in the news, all of those things. Oh my God, I gotta see my glasses. Good point about being closed off. Yes, closed off to possibilities. Blinders on, cannot see what's on your right or left. Therefore, you don't see the opportunities and possibilities that are right there for you, because it's a belief that I cannot change what's happening to me right now or the life I'm living in. Oh my God, right? Because also society tells us that. Like, you may have friends, coworkers, relatives, whatever, husband even, that says, this is just the way it is. There's nothing we can do about it. How many times have you heard that? Many times. I know I certainly did. Or when I would choose something like growing up, oh my God, I want to do this, I want to do that. And then what I'd hear is, that's just not possible. Don't be so silly. Don't be so crazy. You can't do that. That's irresponsible. That's being selfish. That's not possible for someone like you. You're not smart, right? All of these things, right? We're told, no, that all these things are not available to us and not possible. And when we grow up and we're finally at this age, we've raised our kids or whatever, you're working full time, you're doing all this, you've surrounded yourself with a life that is what it is, and it feels like that's all there is. That's the thing. It's not all there is. It's only all you know right now in your current environment. Because when we believe that's all there is, that's all there is. You just haven't opened up to truly thinking, believing, realizing, oh my God, things could be a different way. And how this ties into health and wellness for you as a woman, especially during this phase of life, like I said, any woman over 40, right? Or any woman really, is that you just see like, okay, I have, my life's like this. I can't possibly see how I could. So what's happening is whatever values, like whatever you spend your most time on. So whether it's you do everything for your family and relatives, like, and you just give no time for yourself, know that that's your highest value right now. The highest value, or the thing you prioritize, is what you believe right now is the most important thing. So even though you're saying, but I don't want that, I don't want to do that, I want to value myself. I want health to be important. If you are not doing something every day to support your health in a big way, health is not one of your priorities. If you're always putting yourself last, your health is not a priority of yours. It just isn't. Even though you want it to be, it isn't yet. So I really want you to think about that. So if you're working crazy hours in your job, then your job is your priority right now. Your job is more important than your health, okay? If you are saying to yourself, oh my God, I'm exhausted, I'm stressed, this job, I just can't do this, I just can't do that. Oh my God, your job is the highest priority. You are down there somewhere along the way, right? That's just the reality right now. It doesn't have to stay that way, but no, that's the way you've got things. So then you can ask yourself, oh my God, what about my job? What about it feeds me? So it could be, I know for me, when I was growing up, it was always like, look busy, be busy. If you're busy, you're a good person. If you're doing a whole bunch of things, you're successful. If you're working a stable job, good for you, you're going to be safe. So know, what is that thing that you spend the most time on? That's your priority. That's your highest priority right now. That's your highest value, because it means something about you. It means you're a good person, means you're responsible, means you're a success. It means you're something. And that's your priority. You right now need to feel that. That's why you're doing that job. That's why you're doing everything else for your family. Because you are afraid that if you stop, you're not going to be that person. You're not going to be good. You're not going to be caring. You're not going to be productive. You're not going to be successful. You're going to be bad, right? So no, that's what is going on. It certainly doesn't mean that. It's just like, oh my God, you're right. Right now in my life, because I'm doing this all the time and I have no time for me, right now, that is what I have as the most important thing in my life. Because it is. It's just, it has to be. If it's what you spend your time mostly doing, that's the most important thing in your life right now. You can say you want health, you can say you want freedom, you can say you want joy, you can say you want time for you, but you don't. Not enough. Because you believe that it's not important enough. What you feel is extremely important is at the top of your list, and that's what you spend your most time doing. So what do you do if you're doing everything for family and friends, or working too many hours and you want things to change, right? So what you do is you begin to get real. This is my most important thing, obviously, because I'm spending all my time doing it. What is it giving me? What does it mean about me? It means, oh, so I believe I'm doing this because I'm a good person. This is the way an adult my age would look. That means you're living for a norm. If I don't do it, people are going to criticize me. People are going to think I'm crazy, right? Why do you do what you do? Is that your priority? How does it make you about yourself? Like, this equals about myself, right? Working 60 hours a week equals, how do we feel about yourself? That I'm productive, that I'm a good person, that I'm a great employee, that I'm worthy of promotion, that I'm worthy of good money, that I'm a worthy person, period, right? If I say no and work way less, what does that mean about me? It means I'm lazy. It means I won't be successful, right? You've got your job tied with success, right? Tied with being a good person, or your family. If I say no to somebody, they're going to judge me. I'm going to feel horrible about myself. They're going to think I'm a bad person. No one's going to want to talk to me. No one's going to like me. You see what I mean? That's why saying yes to everybody is up here. Saying yes to yourself is down here. So that's what I wanted to talk about today. And my new program, 21-day program, Nourish Your Body, Nourish Your Soul, we are going to be working through things like this, okay? We're going to be working through you understanding and having an awareness of like, oh, that's what I've been doing. That's why I have it like this, okay? And detaching all the emotion and the strings and the things around it that keep us in that situation and feel like we have no other options. When you feel you have no other options, you are in blinders. You're like wearing blinders. You're not open to seeing possibilities. Therefore, you're not open for possibilities to come into you and be presented to you. When you're more open for possibilities and you're like, you know what? I'm desiring now to have this as one of my values, me, my health. Why? Well, of course it should be, right? Like getting clear on your why. And that's what we're going to do in this new program too. Is get on to like clear on the why. What are going to be things you're working towards? Why do you work towards those? What will they give you? And then getting real on, oh my God, I'm living this way. that isn't serving me, but I see why. And I see now how I can begin to shift it, right? Calling in support, guidance from other people, from the higher source, whatever. Connecting to the safety within you, loving yourself, and knowing your worth, and claiming what you desire, right? Claiming what you desire. Okay, that is what 21-day Nourish Your Body, Nourish Your Soul. We're also going to deal with intermittent fasting, all raw day. What is that? What does it look like? And a juice and cleanse day with juices and smoothies. You can do 1 to 2 of those. So over the 21 days, we're going to also look at different ways that are available to you to kind of bring your health, wellness, weight loss to the next level. We're going to be looking at those 2 through the 21 days. And a lot, though, is on self-care, getting our mindset shifts, getting clear on what we desire, starting to begin to shift our life even, or shift our thoughts, belief of what is possible for us, and see how we can work towards living a life we more desire, right? Begin to take those powerful, brilliant, bold actions in week 3 if you choose to begin. And sometimes those actions are just like saying, okay, I'm going to work an hour less a week, or I'm going to delegate better with my family, or I'm going to say no to this thing that I volunteered for, whatever, right? You're going to be taking action steps to move you closer to what you have decided now. These are going to be my values. This is going to be what's important to me. This is the way I want to live my life. I'm going to start to create that now. Really excited. I'm so excited about this new program. Cannot even tell you. It's going to be amazing. Don't worry about Thanksgiving. Shut that off. You can still have a Thanksgiving dinner. You can still have all your celebrations. I am not going to tell you not to do that. That's not what this program is about. Okay? We're going to work around the U.S. Thanksgiving. We're going to start pre-work on Wednesday, and then we're going to go with what the group decides, and we're going to work around it so you can still enjoy your Thanksgiving. Don't worry about that. You're all good. Okay? DianaMarchand.com/21day-nourish. NOURISH. I also do one-on-one coaching if you want, like, to really go deep and do just one-on-one with me, something that's very specific for you. That's what I do. And you can also add on one-on-one sessions to my 21-day program for low cost. All right. Thank you for watching. If anybody has any questions or comments, post below. Like, I'm here for you. Let me know. I'm going to do my Monday Midlife Soul Talk tomorrow night. And if you're not watching from Women Creating Healthy Lives, come and join us. And I have lots of videos on YouTube, and go to DianaMarchand.com, my website. I have some free trainings for you, as well as you can read about the program. All right. Have an amazing day. Bye-bye.